Hello friends, welcome to Ekeeda. Title of the lecture is Phase Shift in Star Delta Transformers. So positive and negative sequences, positive and negative sequences, voltage and currents undergo a phase shift in passing through a star delta transformers, which depends upon the labeling of terminals. But before considering this phase shift, we need to understand the standard polarity marking of single phase transformer. I'll show you with the help of diagram. So this is the transformer primary side and secondary side. Suppose this is H dash, this is L dash. Voltage across the primary side H dash, and across the secondary side L dash. Current I1, current I2, and this is the polarity. So this figure shows a polarity marking of a single phase transformer. As you see in this diagram, transformer ends marked with a dot having a same polarity. You see, having a same polarity. Therefore, voltage VHH dash is in phase with voltage VLL dash. This is in phase with VLL dash. Now assuming the small amount of magnetizing current can be neglected. So the primary current I1 entering the dotted end cancels the demagnetizing ampere turn of the secondary current I2. So that I1, I2, the direction of flow as indicated in this diagram, are in phase. I1 and I2 are in phase. And if the direction of I2 is reversed, then I1 and I2 are in phase opposition, will be in phase opposition. So this primary current I1 entering the dotted end cancels the demagnetizing ampere turn of the secondary current I2. So the direction of I1 and I2 are in phase. Now consider a star delta transformer. With terminal labeling. Now consider a star delta transformer. With terminal labeling. So I'll show you in the diagram. Star, phase C, phase A, phase B and phase C. This is neutral. And delta, phase A, B, C, B and C with labeling. So this is the star side quantity, lead delta side quantity by 30 degree. star side quantity lead delta side quantities by 30 degree. So as you can see in this diagram, bindings shown parallel to each other are magnetically coupled. Assume that the transformer is excited with positive sequence voltage and carries positive sequence current. Assume transformer are excited with positive sequence voltage and carries positive sequence currents. So with the polarity mark shown in this diagram, we can immediately draw the phasor diagram. See, with this polarity, we'll draw the phasor diagram. So this is a positive sequence voltage in a star delta transformer. This is a positive sequence voltage in star on a star delta transformer. So with the polarity mark shown, we draw this phasor diagram, and from this phasor diagram you can easily observe the following interrelationship between the voltage on the two sides of a transformer, from the primary side and from the secondary side, the relationship between the voltages on these two sides of a transformer. So VAB, this is equals to x VAB angle 30 degree. This is the equation number 1, where x is the phase transformation ratio. So from this equation number 1, the positive sequence line voltage on star side lead the corresponding voltage on the delta side by 30 degree. And the same also applies for the current. Now if the delta side is connected, the phase shift reverse means the delta side quantity leads the star side quantity. So when delta side quantity lead the star side quantity, this is star A, B, C, this is neutral N, then delta side, this is A, B and C. So this is the delta side quantity, B figure. This is figure number A. Star side quantity lead the delta side quantity by 30 degree. Now delta side quantity lead star side quantities by 30 degree. So in this diagram, if the delta is connected, as you can see in this figure, the phase shift reverse. So when phase shift reverse of the delta side, so the delta side quantity leads star side quantity by 30 degree. So now it is excited by negative sequence voltage and current. So voltage phasor diagram will be, so this is the phasor for negative sequence voltage. This is the figure for negative sequence voltage on a star delta transformer. So when this is excited by negative sequence voltage and current, so voltage phasor diagram will be like this, and the phase shift in the comparison to the positive sequence case is now reversed. See, this phase shift in comparison to this positive sequence, and now on negative sequence this is reversed. That is star side quantity lag the delta side quantity by 30 degree. So from now onwards, you can assume star delta transformer is labeled that the positive sequence quantity on the high voltage side lead their corresponding positive sequence quantity on the low voltage side by 30 degree. And in case of negative sequence quantity, where high voltage quantity lag the corresponding low voltage quantity by 30 degree. I'll make a note of this. that you can assume a star delta transformer is so labeled that the positive sequence quantities on the high voltage side lead their corresponding positive sequence quantity on the low voltage side by 30 degree, and reverse for negative sequence quantities on the high voltage side lags their negative sequence quantities on low voltage side by 30 degree. Thank you.